a generator for our travel trailer, and we saw this in a box, so we decided we could do it and put together a video here on this generator we bought.
You get a free t-shirt.
Yeah, it's a Champion dual fuel, 3500 watt dual fuel, meaning it can run off of propane or gas. Looks like it got a 3-year warranty. Model number, that's the model number there. So we'll just share with you our unboxing and our first startup.
First of all, oh, instructions.
Got your instruction manual and owner's manual here. Reading those.
Quickstart.
Here they have like a quick start diagram. We can get into those once we get it all out. Got your funnel. This is the device if you're going to be using propane instead of the gas.
But why not checking something as important as your credit? Well, Discover makes it quick, easy, and best of all, free. Discover is now offering FICO credit scores to everyone for free, even if you're not a customer. And checking your score won't hurt your credit. We call it the Discover Credit Scorecard. And once you know your score, you can check to see if your current credit card is the best fit for you. Check your credit, compare your credit. Go to discover.com/credit-scorecard. Limitations apply.
This is what it looks like outside of the box. But, for easy tow. Makes it a lot easier to move around. Right now we're going to remove the back panel to put the oil in it and do the quick start. It's in the instructions here. I'll show you real quick. These are the instructions here for the quick start. The first step is to remove the back panel and insert oil, and it has about 10 steps that we have to do. So we'll be doing that and show you our first startup. Alright, now the instructions say to connect the battery. That's what we're doing now. Removing this panel on the back side of the generator. Just one of these. Alright, we added our oil, our gas, and connected the battery, and we're going to do our first start on gasoline. So you can run this off of propane. The only difference here would be if you were to run off of propane, you would have this switch flipped up, and you would have this connection here, this hose with the hose connected here to this guy, and you would have this side connected to a propane bottle. But like I said, we're doing gas start, so alright, so we're gonna do the gas start. So Have to flip this switch here back down to gas, and then go ahead. Yep. Yeah, I know. So it started on about like the fourth try. It says not to hold down the button longer than 5 seconds for the electric start. There is a full start on it also, but we were trying the electric start. It was about the fourth or fifth try. I'm standing right next to it, and you can have a conversation here. I'm not yelling, so pretty quiet so far. We have the choke pulled out. It says to gradually put it in for as it warms up. Generator has an economy mode, which will kind of like regulate and monitor like the wattage that you're using in your RV. It'll adjust to it. So I'm going to flip that switch and we'll hear the difference in the generator and the volume going down. So you can see when you flip it onto economy, the noise level of the generator goes down quite significantly. It sounds pretty good. That's our review on the Champion 3500 watt generator that we bought. Give us a thumbs up if you got anything out of our video and if it helped you out at all. We are going on a camping trip next week. Our travel trailer has a 13,500 watt AC unit on it, so we'll give a second review on it on how it handled it. I'm sure just lights and the microwave without running the AC will be fine. Yeah, so I can't wait to test it out. And he's extremely excited to go on camping. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.